Now, before you include the air element into your aligning of the four elements, you will expand your outer realm, and you include utensils which represent the element of air. Again, you draw a circle around yourself, trace a triangle on the table. You can surround this triangle with a circle, put a candle and a wand into the triangle to represent the fire element, include the elemental talisman, a triangle which you have previously charged, just the design of a triangle. To represent water element, you put a cup with water in the circle or a glass. Include the elemental talisman of water, which means the pentagon. Again, you charge it before. You see about charging in my course on talismans. For the air element, put an incense burner inside the triangle. You can add a dagger or a sword. I love frankincense for this. You can use other incenses as well. Include the elemental talisman for air or the square and charge it accordingly. From what I have said in the previous chapters, it should be obvious now that the triangle of manifestation on the altar, the large triangle, does not only represent the will of the magician, the fire element, which contains the spirit or energy within this space. It does also represent the trinity of the elements beyond that which is manifest and conscious and manifest: fire, water, and air. In many pagan mythologies, this trinity finds its expression of the divine trinity which is above the world. You find this trinity also in the Christian mythology, since the Christian religion basically is a Greco-Roman religion with Jewish names, or a paganized Jewish religion, whatever you want to approach it with. Especially the saints and so on correlate very well with the old Greco-Latin, Greco-Roman gods. And let's be aware of it, a god that cannot manifest itself is dead. Therefore, there is a necessity to make things created, manifest, and conscious. Even a spirit whom you evoke needs to become your conscious perception. It needs to materialize, so to say, inside the triangle, which again contains it and constrains it, if you want to keep it there. With a sword or dagger, the magician has a dominance over the spirit. It's a symbolic tool, of course. You can do it with your head, just with your mind as well. A dominance over the spirit which comes from the plane above the astral, from the mental plane. I do it mostly with my mind, it takes about 10 seconds or so. After you have set up your altar, you charge it with your awareness that this setup is going to attract the elemental energies of air as soon as you set the whole operation in motion by lighting the incense. As incense, I suggest frankincense or sandalwood. I prefer frankincense. To charge this outer realm for your practices with air, you imagine yourself drawing energies of the air element from the universe and projecting it into the triangle. See these energies as having the color yellow. Proceed with this practice until you feel good about the amount of energy which you have accumulated this way. Then proceed with the practice by exploring the realm of the air element in the workspace within your